Connecting QuickBooks Online to Power BI is straightforward using the built-in connector in Power BI Desktop. QuickBooks Desktop requires third-party tools or ODBC drivers. Steps for QuickBooks Online. Open Power BI Desktop. On the Home ribbon, click Get Data. In the search bar, type QuickBooks or go to Online Services, select QuickBooks Online, click Connect. Click Continue on the third-party service notice, sign in with your Intuit or QuickBooks Online administrator credentials, and authorize Power BI to access your company data. Select the company file, if you have multiple, and choose the tables or reports you need. For example, profit and loss, balance sheet, invoices, customers, transactions. Click Load or Transform Data to clean it first in Power Query. Your financial data will appear in the Fields pane. Build visuals, measures, and dashboards as needed. Schedule refreshes in the Power BI service. Note, API rate limits may restrict frequent refreshes. For QuickBooks Desktop, use a third-party connector, for example CData, QODBC, Export to Excel, or CSV, and import, or push data to a SQL database or warehouse first.